Elichmann malleable iron liquid tight connector 90-degree type is a type of electrical connector used in various applications. It provides a 90-degree angle for easier installation in tight spaces or where a straight connection is not possible. It is designed to provide a secure and reliable connection for liquid-tight flexible metallic conduit. The connector is typically made of malleable iron, which offers good strength and durability. It is commonly used in industrial, commercial, and residential settings for applications such as wiring motors, machinery, or outdoor lighting.